Everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video, I wanted to give a review on Zach Crawford's $7 program for the profit affiliates program that he actually released not so long ago. And I actually joined his program, and I just wanted to give my honest opinion. So, if you are someone who's actually thinking about his $7 program, I'll tell you what you actually get on the inside, and I'll give you my opinion. And let's get started. So, if you're new to my channel, on this channel, I normally make videos about YouTube automation. So, if this is your first time on my channel, what you need to do is go to my channel homepage, and you'll see a section here. I'm doing step-by-step training on how you can actually build up a six-figure YouTube automation business from the scratch, right? I've put out 2 trainings already. And if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see all my clients' interviews that I have done, and they're very successful, right? YouTube automation clients. And if you go a little bit down, you'll also see my results, right? In here, I have posted all my results since the time I started back in 2017. So you can see all my results right there. So you can see I'm talking what I'm sharing with you. I am walking the walk as well, not just sharing with you what's actually working now. So you can go and see, check your results, check my results for yourself. So going back to his $7 program, right? And this is also another series that I'm doing, a 25 business model that you can actually grow to $100,000 in 12 months. So I've done a lot of series about that here. So let's get started with the $7 program, right? So I joined his program about 3 days ago now, and I'm still going through the training. And I was actually blown away by the amount of value that he's actually giving you in the $7 program, right? Most of the time, people charge a lot of money, probably close to like $1,000 or $2,000 just with the information that he's giving out for just $7, right? And I was actually looking for some high ticket program where I wanted to join and just start earning like big commission, right? $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, right? But most of the time, those programs you have to pretty much pay like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 just to get started, and then you can start earning that amount of money. But the good thing about Zach Crawford's training is that you can literally get started for as little as $7, and you have the opportunity to earn $1,000, right, with the $7 program, right, which I really, really love. And I'll show you what actually you get on the inside. So this is the back office that you actually get. And in here, you can see all the training that you have laid out, right? Step-by-step training, how you can actually get started, affiliate marketing. And he doesn't even tell you like just promoting his offers that you need to be promoting. And he tells you like different ways you can promote offers. If you want to promote some other offers using his training, you can also do that, right? And you can see I've watched 2 videos. I'm going through the training, and I'm setting my system up as well at the same time. So I'm on the 3rd module, right? It's very in depth. I was very surprised that he gives out so much value just with the $7 course, right? So in here, you can see how to make millions with affiliate marketing, choose a product, and that will make you 7 figures, market research, promote my products, and make $1,000 to $10,000 per sale. Plus, you also have the opportunity to earn $100,000, which is giving for as a bonus, right? Awesome program. And let me show you also. So one thing that he actually mentions in the program, right, that you need to get like a click funnel to actually build up a funnel. But I use a funnel builder called Home Business Academy, right? The reason I'm using that because I'm also building up another business model, and it's a recurring income business model. So if you go to my channel, you see how I was able to turn these $25 into, can turn that into like 6 figures, right? And I'm actually promoting this business model. So what I'm actually doing, I am building that funnel using Home Business Academy funnel, right? And for ClickFunnels, I know you have to spend, I think, close to $99 to $120 just to build your funnel through that. But I wanted to show you how I actually was able to build up a funnel using Home Business Academy, right? In here, you see all this training that I got on the inside, right? I'm using all this training in here, and I was able to build up a funnel myself. It literally took me like probably 20 minutes, half an hour, and I was able to build up that funnel, right? So let me share with you how it actually looks like. So you can actually see this powerful funnel that I was able to create. And it actually didn't take me that long, right? It didn't take me that long, right? Look at these guys. Very neat, very clean, and I was able to do that with a 25 funnel builder, right? And just awesome. So, and he tells us to use ClickFunnels, right? Nothing wrong with ClickFunnel, but there's a very less costly softwares out there. And Home Business Academy, with the Home Business Academy, you also get like a step-by-step training all in laid out here, right? How you can connect your autoresponders, how you can actually track where your leads are coming from, and all these things that you can actually do with this $25 funnel builder, right? So you don't have to pay $99 or $120 for ClickFunnels. You can just literally use this Home Business Academy. And also got another bonus as a traffic as well, traffic and conversion, which you can also use, right? Which I'm using this traffic and conversion, but more of this traffic, I'll just so I haven't been to that get traffic and leads in here, but I'm just waiting to get to the training because I'm just finishing launching your affiliate business, right? I'm going through this, and after that I will be start getting leads, right? So the leads I'll be getting from like using solo ads, because I also provide solo ads for the other people, right? So I know where to get the traffic from. So I'll use my solo ads traffic together with, I'll use all the strategies that he actually teaches in here just for $7 program, right? And you also have access to his Facebook group, right? Um, and the Facebook group where he provides most of his um, knowledge, and he shares like his results, his mentoring students results, and he also does like mastermind calls and really really in-depth training, you know. And if you see most of his he was one of the first guys who actually got into affiliate, and most of the big gurus that you actually see online, they have used his program to actually get success with affiliate marketing, right? I won't name any names, but I've seen in the back office there's a lot of successful people who actually started with this program, right? And I'm really excited to come to Zach Crawford's $7 program. I'm going through it, and I'll see how I go, but I'm really excited. So if you're thinking about joining his $7 program, I'll leave all the link in the description below. All you can do is just click on that and get access to his system, right? You'll get to this page, right? You'll get to that page and you'll get access to his $7 program. Also, I'll put my Facebook link in there as well. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. But again, the more income stream that you have, the better this day and age, because what happens if something happens, right? Like COVID, something happens, you're just going to be losing your job overnight. If you don't have a plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E, plan F, like, right, you won't be in a good position. Mainly people at that COVID time got like a lot of depression. People actually committed, yeah, like suicide. Like I didn't want to mention that, but that was the reality. People were just very very frustrated, right? And they had a scarcity mindset. They were very fearful. They didn't know what to do, right? So this is the best time for you to build up a online business, so that way you can have additional stream, right? And I got YouTube automation. I'm also building a affiliate recurring income business with HBA, and now I've actually joined Zach Crawford's program, right? So the more knowledge you have, the more money you're going to make. So, and that knowledge you can use from different people, and just get an idea like how you can actually grow online, right? The more mastermind calls you have, it's more successful people, right? Zach Crawford is a very, very successful person, right? He's a seven-figure affiliate marketer, right? He's just not sharing all these results, right? And he's not doing it in himself. He's actually doing affiliate marketing himself, and he's actually sharing like how he's actually getting results, right? Day to day. He's also jumps on the call. I believe he has like 2 or 3 mastermind calls every single week, so he can jump on the call. He can ask any questions that he have, so he can actually share with you what's actually working currently, and how he can also get success with affiliate marketing, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Thank you.